Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing Boxycharm. So the first item I have here is this little bag. So I got the Boxyluxe. This is how the bag looks like. It's just like a plain little simple cute little traveling bag. The inside is just like a pretty beige color. Looks like this. Oh, and it has Boxycharm. How cute. Here I have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It looks like this. I was super excited for this, but I already exfoliated and I don't want to overdo it, but I am going to go ahead and do this another time. So the next thing here is the It Confidence in a Cream. It also says you can apply it to your neck, so I'm applying it to my turkey neck to keep it nice, young and youthful looking. The next item is this iconic London Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. I'm going to go ahead and dip into the darker brown color. I have a change of heart in that eyebrow department. I actually really like that product. I mean, it's kind of hard to work with because, as you already know, I did the mistake of like shaving half my eyebrow, but I feel like it kind of holds the hairs in place. Like, it's kind of like a gel in a way. I don't know, it's really good. I like it. It passes for me. It gives it a beautiful shape and it doesn't look too harsh, and that's what I love. The Morphe Brunch Babe 15B palette. Super natural, basic, but it's whatever. I'm gonna let you guys look at the name so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and take Totes, which is like a cool tone brown color, and I'm going to apply this to the outer parts of my eye. And I'm also going to take this color into the inner corner of my eye. So the next color I'm going to take is Patio, which is a really dark brown color. It's the darkest brown in this palette, and I'm only going to take this onto the outer part of my lid and the inner part of my lid. Now I'm going to take my fluffy brush that I was using, and I'm just going to diffuse the color by blending it into my crease, very sloppy. Next color I'm going to take is Rezo, which is, it's like a light brown. And I'm going to take this and just up here, blending this in with the color that I used in my crease. And I'm using this color as my transition shade. The next color I'm going to take is Sunday Funday, which is a pretty shimmer brown looking color, and I'm going to take that on a flat concealer brush. Now that I've already sprayed my brush with rose water, I'm going to take Sunday Funday, which is a pretty like bronze brown looking color, and I'm going to apply that to the outer part of the middle highlight area that I've already concealed. The final color I'm going to be taking is Whipped Cream, which is the lightest shimmer color in this palette, and it seems like it has a little bit of an iridescent color to it. And I'm just going to apply this to the middle part of my halo. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Patio, that dark brown color, and I'm going to try to deepen up my outer part of my eye and the inner part as well. So exactly what I did to the top, I did to the bottom. So I used the darker brown and then a lighter brown, and then I used the bronze brown looking color, and then right in the center I used the really light iridescent color to bring out the middle part of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lashes. So the next product I have here is this Moda toothbrush set. Here I have the Cover FX in medium deep. I wish I would have gotten maybe a different one because I do feel like these are a little bit too strong for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take the contour color, which is this one, on a angled brush and start carving out my cheeks. So you see what I mean? A little goes a long way. This is a really dark color. I just patted it once. I've been blending like crazy. And that was just like, I just literally tapped that product on my brush like twice. It is insane how pigmented it is. It's a beautiful color, don't get me wrong, but god damn, like I feel like I've been blending here for like about an hour already. I'm gonna go ahead and take the powder brush. It's super pretty. I love the way how it feels. It's super cute, like the color and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this brush and just blend my powder into my bronzer because I went a little too crazy on my bronzer. And I'm just gonna dust it off my nose. My nose tends to get super oily, so that's why that's why you saw it super packed on there, because way too much oiliness going on. So I really want to take the blush, but I'm really scared. Like, you see that, right? It's just a little bit. I don't know, I'm scared of this palette, to be honest. Oof. I felt myself already having a mental breakdown. So I did swatch a little bit of like the highlighters. They're kind of dark, so I'm just gonna take the one that says brightener, which is the lightest one, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it on that pretty cool highlighting brush that came in. So far so good on these brushes. I do believe that if I would have gotten a lighter color of these palettes, I would have been on point. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one because these two are way too dark. Okay, this brush is like super long. Like when I put it, it's not even really grabbing the product. This brush, it should have been cut up to here or something because it's not really grabbing the product. Maybe like this. You guys, look at the difference between the highlighting brush that I use all the time compared to this one. This is like half the size. Like, of course, this whole thing is just way too much. It's like flopping left and right, not even holding the product at all. And this highlight is super gorgeous. Like, it's very subtle. I love how subtle it is. It's just like that perfect highlight. If you don't want to go a little like too dramatic. It's so pretty. I have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and I got in this shade Soulful. And the packaging is on point. I love the way how it looks like. The color is to die for too. I love the way how it just kind of, it's like a magnetic lipstick. I don't know, it's super cute. And I did use a Morphe lip liner. I believe it was called Biffy. And it's what I'm wearing, and it's the closest thing that I have to this lipstick. Okay, so it's sliding on really nice and smooth. So this is the finished look, and I am so totally impressed. Like, I'm really loving what I got sent in this month's box for the Boxyluxe. I'm loving it from like brows to lips. Nah, I'm not even gonna complain this time because it was really nice. But No, I'm not going to. No, not today. I just really love how everything came out. It's super cute, super glam. You can like spice it up. You can spice it down with that palette if you don't want to be too bold, or if you want to be super bold, you can do whatever you'd like. But yeah, please let me know what you guys down. Ooh, girl. Please let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm or your Boxyluxe. And if you haven't subscribed already to their subscription boxes, I'm going to go ahead and link down my link. That way you guys can go ahead and just check it out just to see for yourself. I feel like I've built up a lot of my I feel like I've built up on a lot of my makeup from Boxycharm. I have a lot of brushes from them, a lot of palettes from them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.